Hello, I'm Jorge Ocana again. I'm gonna show now the second part of the project, that is the Windows Phone application. This is an application using data-driven web service. Here we can check that it's the Tuna Loyola service over here. And this use two different databases, one for the components and one for the contact information. Let's get the application to be launched. And there we go. Now you can retrieve the components and contact us through our form. So let's go quickly. Miss AAA as the name. The phone could be 555-555-5555. The mail could be a@a.edu, and the comment could be hi. Alright, so we have the information, so let's go to submit, and it's thinking. It has to appear a thank you page. It's taking time, don't know why. There we go, thank you, your information has been successfully submitted. So now it's in our database waiting for the administration member to check that information. So the other feature is the components, using retrieving the information about the components from our database using a web service again. And I have to display all the components, and there we go. It's all the components, the name and the date of birth, since I consider it's the useful information for the user who are using the application, just because it's a small screen and we can't display properly all the information. So we go back. This is welcome, and now I think we are done, but let's check that the information has been stored successfully. Let's go to the website. It's Jorge and here is and let's check that the information has been stored successfully in the database. We push carries. Let's go to the name, and there we go. The application works fine. We can check on the database the information we have just stored. So that's how the application works. Thank you for watching, and this is my final project. Let's shoot down this. Hello, my name is Jorge. I'm a student of MGMT461, and I'm gonna explain my project. First of all, I have developed a website about the music group I belong in Spain. It's a music group that belongs to the university. So it's in my domain that I have been using for this class. It's jorgeocm.com, Tuna Loyola. There we go. And here's the main site. I have used dynamic web template and ASP.NET technology. Is the home page with the header, the menu, and the footer. So this is a section about the history. It's in Spanish, the website, since it's gonna be used for the main page of our music group. But I have translated into English the main menu, so it's easier for the instructor to check out my project. Now let's go for the components. The components, I have used ASPX to retrieve all the information for a database about the components. So we can see these are retrieved, SQL select from a table, and it's displayed the whole components with the nickname, and the date of birth. I prefer to use a varchar or a string for the date, since I consider it more elegant instead of a date type. This is the forum. It's an external link to a forum where we have to talk. We can see. Let's go back to the page. Now it's a private site. I have put this on my future enhancements in the documentation, since I haven't implemented yet, and it's gonna be like a private area to communicate between us. So the college is the college that we belong. It's an external link that redirects you to this page. You can see. Let's go back and continue. the situation is where we are, our headquarters, and actually our headquarters are the college. So this Google Maps indicating the people who is navigating the website where we are. It's Colegio Mayor Loyola, it's the college, it's in Granada in Spain. Now next section is pictures. Some pictures you can see from the early to the now. I have to add more photos. Multimedia is a section where YouTube videos about our performance, a video about our history, and this is the most interesting. Contact us, because as we are a music group, we have to arrange performance, actuations within the university and outside the university. So this is a form with a name, email, phone, and wherever the person who is contacting us wanna say us. So we use name as, for example, Fred. Mail is fred@unm.edu. Phone number 505-480-2233 as an example. And a comment. Hello, I would like to meet you guys. Alright, so just press the button and it's redirected you to a thank you page at your information has stored properly. You will receive our feedback soon. So we go to queries, and this is the area I have to encrypt because now it's public, but I didn't encrypt yet. It's in my future enhancements too, for us to check who is contacting us. So I didn't encrypt with a login and a password to make the instructor to check that it's working properly. Now here we are. Last line of the database is the contact information. I have just form, so we can see it works. So we have 3 applications, 2 different databases. One is for the components to retrieve all the information of the components and display on the site. Contact us is a form where the people can talk to us easily. And the queries, that's we are watching right now. So the table, we can see that it displays properly the information. As I said, I have to encrypt. I will do it in the future. I say it in the documentation too. That's it. Everything about the website.